Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on how to integrate Omnisend with Shoplazza, a powerful tool for anyone using Shoplazza to manage their online store. If you're looking to boost your marketing strategies with efficient email and SMS automation, you're in the right spot. Let's go through the process step by step to get Omnisend up and running with your Shoplazza store. Connecting Omnisend with Shoplazza simplifies your marketing efforts by allowing you to automate and personalize your communications directly through Omnisend. Here's how to make that happen. Step 1. First things first, log into your Omnisend account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Integration section on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of platforms that Omnisend can integrate with, including Shoplazza. Step 3. Find Shoplazza in the list and click on the Connect button. This will open up a prompt asking you to enter your Shoplazza store's URL. Go ahead and enter the URL, then click Next to proceed. Step 4. You will now be redirected to your Shoplazza admin panel. Here, Omnisend will request access to your store data. This is crucial as it enables Omnisend to sync with your store and access data such as customer details, purchase history, and products. You'll need to approve these permissions to continue. Step 5. Once you confirm the permissions, Omnisend will begin the integration process by syncing with your Shoplazza store. This might take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data being transferred. Step 6. And that's it. Once the syncing is complete, your Omnisend account will be fully integrated with Shoplazza. You're now ready to start creating targeted email campaigns, setting up SMS marketing, and implementing automation workflows to enhance your customer engagement and increase sales. You've successfully integrated Omnisend with your Shoplazza store. It's time to take full advantage of Omnisend's capabilities to supercharge your marketing efforts. If you're ready to dive in, check out the link in the description for a special offer on your Omnisend subscription. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful guides. Any questions about the integration? Just drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.